Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you very special remedy. So guys can see this remedy, this sugar cane. So guys, everybody know about sugar cane. Can see sugar cane will cure many things, especially mouth odor. If you have mouth odor and you are chewing sugar cane every time, the mouth odor will disappear forever. You will not notice it again. Nobody will hear it again. So this sugar cane is very common in Nigeria. It's common everywhere. If you hold 100 naira, you can buy sugar cane. This one now is 300 naira that I bought it. It's very, very cheap. So if you have 100 naira, even 50 naira can buy sugar cane for you that you'll be chewing every time and to stop mouth odor. If you notice anybody that have mouth odor, please advise that person to buy sugar cane and be chewing every time, especially in the night before you sleep. You chew sugar cane. If you buy it and keep it in your fridge, you can pick like 3 or 4 pieces like this between it. If you go to the market, you see them, you see the sugar cane plenty. When you buy it, they will peel it for you. They will peel the back, throw away for you and put it inside nylon. You take it at home, then you use it. Then before you use it, make sure you wash it. Even though they peel the back for you from market, if you take it home, wash it before you begin chewing it. So it's a very, very easy something remedy that will help you. Some people say mouth odor don't have cure, but it have cure. Some even buy medicine, some even buy some herbal something, but still, they still having it. Try sugar cane to work very fast for you. It's not something that you'll be taking and it's not working. No. Take it and see. You see the difference. To work very fast for you. And again, people that have diabetes, is very good for them. Some will say that why person that have diabetes chewing sugar cane again? You know, the sweetness of sugar cane is natural. It's not sugar. It's just natural. Because they say sugar cane doesn't mean that sugar is inside. It's because the sweetness make it sugar cane. And again, that sweetness is natural. It's nothing like it's not like maybe you have diabetes and you are chewing it to cause you more problem. No. If you are chewing it every time, you choose to reduce your sugar level. I'm telling you, to reduce your sugar level, because the sweetness is natural. It's natural one. So I advise people that have diabetes also that to be chewing sugar cane to help you to reduce your sugar level, to reduce it down small. Please, it's just a simple remedy, especially those mouth odor. It's very, very necessary, and it's very, very embarrassing. You go someplace, maybe you want to talk, you don't know how to open your mouth because of your mouth is smelling. So try sugar cane. Chewing it every time, especially in the night. After you take your meal, before you sleep, chewing it. Pick some and chewing it so that you go and sleep. Wake up in the morning after brush, chewing it again. In the night before you sleep, pick some, chewing it again. You seeing it, doing it for 1 week. That mouth odor will disappear. You will not even notice it. Nobody will notice it in your body, in your mouth again. So I advise you guys to try it and see. It's very, very necessary and it's very, very good. And it works like magic. So that is all for sugarcane for mouth odor. Please, if you like this my video, kindly subscribe it and share it to your loved one. I know you guys have been trying for me, and I'm very, very happy, and I appreciate you guys. God will bless you and your family, and anything that you lay your hand on it, God will bless it, as you are supporting me, helping me subscribe and watching my video. God also helping you. God will bless you for me. Thank you very much. Please share it, and continue watching my video. You'll be seeing different things. My own channel is just natural, something is food, something, anything that you learn there to help you. So please watch it and share it to your loved one. See you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.